Turning now to the pandemic. The latest COVID surge is hitting Florida harder than most states. There are now more cases there than ever before. And with the Delta variant, children are more vulnerable to serious illness. All this has led to a legal battle in Florida over what schools can do to keep kids safe. A judge is expected to rule today on the governor's ban on mask mandates. Manuel Bojorquez is following all of it from Miami.
We were scared that the return of school was going to become a super spreader.
Before the school year began this week, Francella Guido Chacon protested and petitioned to make masks mandatory in her 10-year-old daughter's district.
That mask is not a political statement. It's not a fashion choice. It's a safety device.
The efforts were successful. Now Miami-Dade school kids, like more than half of the state's 2.8 million students, must wear masks with limited exceptions. But that could change based on a judge's ruling in a trial that is pitting parents like Guido Chacon against Governor Ron Desantis and Florida education officials.
Parents are in the better position to make the decision about whether their kids should be wearing the mask in school, particularly young kids.
DeSantis has threatened to withhold some state funding from districts with mandates, arguing they are violating the so-called Parents' Bill of Rights, a law passed this year that gives parents more discretion over a child's education.
Some parents would say your decision shouldn't be imposed upon their child. What do you say?
That would be correct if there was not a pandemic. The fact that we're in an emergency health crisis kind of takes away their choice because now it's a health crisis.
Former CDC Director Dr. Thomas Frieden says masks are crucial for children who aren't yet eligible for a vaccine.
The mask that you wear protects people around you. The mask that other people wear protects you. And that's why universal masking indoors is so powerful.
Today's expected court ruling could determine how districts across the state, including the largest, Miami-Dade County, deal with the pandemic. And the debate comes as the number of cases and hospitalizations of children skyrocket across the country. Cases have more than quadrupled since the end of July. Gayle?
Thank you very much, Manny. The kids really do seem to be rolling with the mask.
My nephews are, 12 and 15, 16, and no problem.
It's the parents who are not rolling with it.
Exactly.